Welcome to Email SendX. In this first video, we'll create your account together. It only takes a couple of minutes. Let's jump in. When you first arrive, you'll see two tabs. Since this is a brand new account, click Sign Up. First, type your full name. This is the name that'll appear on your account. Next, your email address. Make sure it's an inbox you can actually check, because we'll send a confirmation link there. Now choose a password. It needs to be at least 8 characters. A longer mix of letters, numbers, and symbols keeps your account safer. Before you can continue, tick the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You'll see the button light up once you do. Great! Now click Create Account. Email SendX has sent a verification link to your email. One important thing, your account isn't active just yet. It becomes active the moment you click that link. If the email doesn't arrive, use the resend button here. So let's open your inbox, find the message from Email SendX, and click the verification link inside. And there it is. Your account is ready. Email SendX signs you in and takes you straight to your workspace. That's it. Your account is created and verified. In the next video, we'll log in and look at keeping your account secure.